Hi folks, I hope I can take a couple of minutes of your time and briefly show you around a lovely Peugeot partner we have in stock. So this one's a 1.6 HDI, 90 horsepower, and it's a professional. So better spec on this van as opposed to the standard S models and such. Rear parking sensors, as you can see there. The van was traded into us from a local gentleman. It's in tip-top condition, as I'm sure you can see here. Just been through our workshops, had an extensive service, including a new timing belt being fitted with water pump as well. Just getting to that age where prudent to put one on. It got 4 new tyres as well, new front brakes, discs and pads that is, and an engine service as well. As I said, just been MOT'd as well, so full year's MOT. A terrific example in lovely condition. As usual, there'll be a selection of photographs to accompany this video on our website. Terrific condition. I think this van's only had the 2 owners from new. With being the professional as well, benefits from this dual passenger seat which fold over to allow you to get longer lengths loaded through. Full multimedia there with a lot of reversing sensors attached to it. Cruise control on this as well. Air conditioning, 5-speed gearbox, of course, electric windows, electric mirrors and such like there as well. And all in all, an excellent van. Been just fully extensively serviced. If you'd like to know more details, just give us a ring on 01738 44 77 33. Thanks for watching.